Hi guys, DevilHunterXYZ, and as you can see, I managed to get my hands on a PlayStation VR. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised I actually got it for Christmas, considering what I've been seeing online, as of right now, roughly about $600. Yeah, I mean, they started at $400 when they came out back in October, but from what I saw on Amazon and eBay, it's like $600. Although I would say not as expensive as like the NES Classic, which I've been seeing those for like $1,000 on eBay. Alright, so it's going to do a little unboxing. Just wanted to see what's on each side of it. Yeah, and then of course we got all the stuff in the back. Yeah. Okay. Probably should have cut the tape open before doing this, but oh well. Just gonna try to make this quick. And alright, there it was. Alright. It's gonna be a pretty hefty box. Ooh, I had to actually. Oh. I almost got it. Alright, put it right here. Oof. I gotta say, it's a pretty. Pretty hefty box. Alright, gotta slide up the little plastic here. Hopefully try not to break anything. Okay, so if you open it up here, which I guess it has a pretty cool pull-out box right here, but yeah, if you manage to open it up, get a little another box, PlayStation VR. Seems like there's always a game, you know, open a box with another box. Okay. So first thing we got is this very huge instruction manual, I'm guessing. Pretty much tells you what comes in the box, all the cables, how to set it up. So I mean, it's basically a quick start guide, which it's going to be pretty useful because as of right now, I still have no idea how I'm going to really set this up with whatever I have, because I got my PlayStation in the corner above my entertainment center, so I'm still trying to figure that out, how I'm going to set this up. I might need to get my hands on another power strip to make room for it, because most of my plugs in this room are pretty much used up. Alright. Okay, so then we have those three sections right here. Oh, boy. Let's go with this one. Let's see, this first box looks like the power supply. Yeah, unfortunately this the VR headset does require also power as well, so I'm gonna have to be powering both. I'm gonna have to power both my PlayStation and the VR, and I think that's pretty much in this box. Let's see. This one seems like pretty much everything else, actually. So much. Well, I got these little cheapy headsets right here, which, oh god. Okay, well, they are pretty cheap. Probably about the same quality as the headsets we get out of the PS4. Yeah, so I would say maybe use some better quality headphones if you have any, like if you have Turtle Beach or whatever. Of course, I got some additional earbuds. But, you know, at the very least, they give you something, right? So, better than nothing. Alright. Okay. I think this looks like it's for the I think this is the adapter for the power. Yeah. Yeah, so it kind of uses like a external power supply, kind of like the Xbox. Well, I mean, at least the box is not as big. So, okay. Okay. Got a micro USB, which that's actually pretty good because this I really needed another one. I'm kind of guessing it's about the same size as the ones you usually get out of the PS4s. You know, charging up the controller. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty much a connector to connect this to the PlayStation 4. Yeah, or I guess the box that comes with it. Speaking of which, instruction manual. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Might need to open up the other side, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so here's a little breaker box right here. Yeah, it kind of does act like a little bit of a cocking mechanism to it. Of course, you got your HDMI TV and also HDMI for the PlayStation 4. Yeah, it has a cooling fan. You got your ports. You got the micro USB power. Yeah, so you got everything right in the back. Yeah, I mean, in a way, at least it's supposed to somewhat replicate the design of the PlayStation 4. Okay. Let's see. Oh. I also got our hands on a demo disc, which I believe this demo disc comes with every PSVR. Trying out a lot of different games here, like Battlezone, Drive Club, Until Dawn, Rush of Blood, yeah. And of course got Regs Mechanized Combat, so yeah, pretty good variety of games right here. I think it's even more than what you got out of the European version, because I think they only had like 12 different games or whatever. Okay. Oh my god. Got herself a clean cloth. I don't really use clean cloths anyway, but it's good to have one. This is a HDMI cable. Okay. I got plenty of these at home as well, so. Okay, this looks like the. This looks like the connectors for everything else. Let's see. And they expect to be so many wires. It's gonna be a hassle trying to figure out how I'm gonna really set all this up. Yeah, a little bit of connector right here. Got good, yeah, Ethernet. I mean, sorry, USB and also HDMI. So yeah. All right. I guess on the other side it's probably the same thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it for all the wires. Alright, put this over here. Okay, so here is the main unit itself. Alright. Yeah, so of course we have all this stuff, the controls, the connectors. Okay, looks like we got volume, power. Looks like you can cancel the mute the microphone. So basic controls that you normally see. Still trying to figure out what some of these things do. I know in the back you got yourself a little, yeah, so you can adjust the strap in the back. Okay, I'm I probably should wear my contacts, I guess. Well, I don't know. I heard you can actually use it with glasses, or I mean that's what I heard, but I don't know. I still would probably just go with contacts and try this out. So. Okay, I think the button here is just supposed to adjust it. I think. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, so the button here is supposed to just slide the. That's it, in and out. Okay. I gotta say, not as bad as I thought. You know, I thought it was going to be extremely heavy or something, but for the most part, it's not too bad. Especially pretty comfortable in the head strap, and nothing like the Virtual Boy. You know, where it didn't even have a head strap or anything like that. But yeah, it's not too bad. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just somehow work all of this stuff together in my whole setting. And probably also do some configurations, some updates on this, on this. So it's probably a while before you even actually start playing this. But yeah, pretty glad I actually got this. You know, I was planning on getting this eventually, like either maybe like during the spring or whatever. But yeah, I just managed to get my hands on it right now. So all right, that's PlayStation VR for you. This is DevilHunterXYZ, and until next time.